Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Hair Hacks. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In this video, today I will show you a beautiful haircuts and hairstyle. Haircuts will change your personality and volumize your hair. So, my dear friends, let's talk about today's trendy fashion about hair. Haircuts, hair color, and short hair are today's trend. If you are a new subscriber on my YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and like my all videos and share it with your friends, family members and all other social media accounts. Thank you so much you are watching my video. Keep supporting me, keep on watching. Till then, take care and bye.